Hi, I'm DMac with VerifyiQ. In this series, we will be discussing new features. All of these new features were requested by you based upon your feedback. So please, keep your comments coming.
In today's video, I will show admins where to find the API key if they wish to integrate VerifyiQ with another software. So after logging in, you will be here on the Clients tab, the main page. Please come over to the top right and click on the gear icon. Under Company Settings, come down to Integrations, and here you can find the API key that can be used to integrate Salesforce, Airtable, or your software of choice with VerifyiQ using Zapier. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. Please click to subscribe to our channel so you'll be notified of any new videos. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments down below, and we will do our best to answer them as quickly as possible.
Thank you. I'm DMac from VerifyiQ.